Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, does Apple Maps have Street View? And let's get started by open Apple Maps. So, my short answer is yes, Apple Maps does have a Street View feature. It calls Look Around and it's available since iOS 13. What you should do? You can click this icon at the left side, or you can select some location, let's say this one, and click again this icon. And we have Street View. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.